Hi there, I'm Sarah Williams, T3's brand educator and spokesperson, and I am thrilled to announce that T3 has officially launched the Airbrush Duo. It's never been easier to get the perfect blowout for every hair type. The T3 Airbrush Duo is intended for use on damp hair. Prep your hair by rough drying with your favorite T3 hairdryer until strands are approximately 80% dry. Then grab your Airbrush Duo, you're ready to start styling. The T3 Airbrush Duo comes with two brush attachments, a paddle brush to smooth out frizz and a round brush for sky-high volume. Both brushes contain smooth grip bristles and Ceragloss ceramic surface for better styling control. Fan-arrayed nylon bristles create the optimal tension for any look. Easy styling with lasting results. And T3 is all about personalization, and the Airbrush Duo has 5 heat settings and 3 speed settings, allowing for 15 heat and speed combinations. With this level of customization, there's no need to overexpose hair to unnecessary heat. Now, let's talk airflow. One of my favorite features of the Airbrush Duo is the T3 Ion Flow technology. The brush interior structure has a custom design, which allows for even and consistent airflow through the attachments. Even stream vents provide consistent airflow. The results are fast, even styling. And there's an ion generator in there that emits 10 million ions for shiny, frizz-free hair. And a smart microchip constantly monitors temperature, preventing heat fluctuations and subsequent heat damage. Don't forget about the volume booster switch, which gives hair more texture and bounce. And of course, set your style and seal in shine with the lock-in cool shot. If you ever need a refresher on the features and benefits of the T3 Airbrush Duo, look no further than the back of the box, which will have all of the information you need. Discover fast, easy blowouts. Swap, set, and style with T3's Airbrush Duo.